Laravel 8.25 has just been released, and along with the announcement that Laravel will be moving from a 6-month major release schedule to yearly, they brought forward a feature planned for Laravel 9, and that is parallel testing. Currently, tests are run sequentially with PHP Unit, but this new feature allows you to run tests on multiple processes to give you a massive reduction in the time tests take to run. And they also said on Twitter that they're working on support for Pest. If that's what you use, it is coming soon. So I thought it'd be cool to do a quick video installing this on one of my existing projects just to see what kind of difference it makes. So first, let's have a look at the test running normally in this project. So if I go PHP artisan test, the test suite will run through all of my tests, and as you can see, it takes around 25.2 seconds. So in order to use the new feature, we need to upgrade the framework and the collision package. Now, I've already done this on this installation, so this won't actually install anything, but that is all you need to do there. And then we use PHP artisan test -- parallel. Now, the first time you do this, it's asking me if I want to install Paratest as a dependency because I don't already have that. So I'll say yes, please install that for me. So that's installed, and now I can go PHP artisan test parallel, and here we see it's running through the tests. 13 seconds. So it's pretty much almost split it in half. That's pretty cool. So let's just have a look at this again on PHP artisan test, running through, taking its time. 22 seconds, and with parallel, when the output is different, it looks like it's just giving PHP units standard output rather than the PHP artisan test output. We're knocking around 10 seconds off my 22-second test suite. That is actually pretty cool. I mean, this test suite is actually fairly small. It's quite a small project, but I've seen people posting on Twitter where they have hundreds and hundreds of tests, and it's knocking off quite a significant amount of time running these tests in parallel. Now, obviously, Laravel will create as many processes as there are CPU cores available, and they've included a processes option in here if you want to adjust that. And there are a couple more options here as well. By default, test databases will persist between calls to test, so they allow you to recreate those databases here. And they've included some hooks. So if you needed to do any setup or teardown, you can include those in your app service provider in the boot method using these hooks. Now, information on all of this is in the Laravel docs as usual, and I'll include a link down in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I say, just a quick one this week, and if you liked it, please do give us a thumbs up down below. It really helps me out with the channel. I'll be back next week with a new series that I'm putting together, so if you want to check that out, do subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notified when I start posting those videos. But for now, I'll see you on the next one.